Hello, my name is Catarina, and in this tutorial we will learn how to create a mirror of a website. A mirror of a website is when you copy all the contents of a website and mirror it on another website. So it's basically just a copy of that website. For this we will use an emulator of a Linux terminal from Ubuntu, which is an operative system just like Windows. You can easily download this from the Microsoft App Store for free because it's open source. This is a terminal with commands that you can execute. So basically it's just like executing an app but using text instead. The app we will use is the wget, which stands for World Wide Web Get. To see all the options that the app can execute, you can run wget-h for help. This shows all the flags that you can use. Flags are the options you have to make the app work in a certain way, so the way you need. The flags we will use to create the mirror are the -mk and -nh. M stands for mirror and is used to copy the whole HTML, so what the browser shows you every time you open the website, just like text for example. And it also copies the CSS, which is the visual formatting, and the JavaScript of the website for more complex characteristics, just like effects. K means convert links, and we use that so that each link that is on the website that we created are not associated with the real one, but with our copy. And NH means no host directories, and does exactly the same as the previous flag, but with directories instead of links. So today we will make a mirror of Google. You wrote the app you need and the flags, you write the website you want to copy, and you just run. So the copy will appear in a folder that was created when you install the emulator. And here it is. Then you just have to open the index and you can check our copy of Google. And that's it basically. Hope it helps. Thank you.